Hey people, welcome back to my channel. So today's vlog is actually very ouch. Today's vlog is actually it's a mix of my visa vlog and this thing, but then I'm making this separately because I am just exploring Delhi and I thought let's make a separate vlog for it, because in the visa thing maybe not everybody who's interested like in that would be interested in travel vlogs. So welcome to Delhi travel vlog. I have Sahib and my amma, my mother. Hi mother. Hi. Yeah, so that's the crew, and we are going now to the Red Fort. I actually haven't seen any of it. I really want to. This is the first time I'm here in Delhi. I want to explore some food as well. And are you guys excited? Are you guys excited? Mama? Yes! I have such a dead audience with me, but yeah, anyways, I will show you the Red Fort now. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have made it to the Red Fort, but we're going to check it out from the front, and that's why we're walking. It's almost 7. It's actually a long walk, I guess.
That is the Red Fort.
Yeah, I didn't trust him. I thought we wouldn't be able to check any place out from like inside, no? They told that it was closed. He told it was closed. But fortunately, I think we can. This is just the entrance. You need to check that out. Just the entrance, and it's so beautiful. It looks much beautiful in person. You need to check this place out here. I always wanted to see the Red Fort, and finally, today is the day. Look at it. So this is how much we need to pay. Just take a screenshot of it if you want. And that's the fort. Wow. And that's the ticket counter where my mom and Sahib have gone. It's huge guys, it's huge, and each and every part of it is so beautiful. I'm actually filming an Instagram reels. I'm gonna give more information on that, but do check this out. Look at it. It's just made of red stone and it's magnificent. It looks so royal, just like it, just the way it is. And now they're lighting it up. I honestly can't wait to see it. You will not believe it, but look at this. There's a few shopping complexes, like a few shopping small shopping places you can shop from, but I would suggest you don't because it's expensive. But you walk into this and it's an empty garden actually. Like, it's good, but it comes on the World Heritage Monument, rightfully so. It deserves it. Like, it's magnificent, it's huge, it's just beautiful in every single way, and with just one color, like a monotone monument. It's so amazing. And my mom's also vlogging there, and Sahib is stuck with 2 people with cameras. But this place is so good, man, like too good. I have officially fallen in love with this place and it's amazing. In the night it looks even better. I wish I could have come here a little before so I could have gotten a lot of pictures, but I just got like 1 or 2 and the others were bad. Now I think we're heading to Bangla Sahib. It's a Gurudwara. And dude, Delhi is so hot. Like there's hot wind blowing and we've got a long walk and my camera battery is also really less. I really hope I can cover everything, but this place, and I really want to tie my hair. I can't do this. Hi guys, we are at Bangla Sahib right now, and yeah, it's weird vlogging here. I will show you montages and talk about it. We are back from where we stopped yesterday. This is the Bangla Sahib Gurudwara road. We just finished and we came back. This is Sahib, obviously. That's my mom, and all of us are again out for Delhi Darshan. So today, right now, we are going to the India Gate. It's going to be closed, we know, but we just want to see it from outside. And on a positive note, our visas are approved. So now we know we have 1 month to leave India. So in that 1 month, we're going to do everything, whatever we have to do, because we don't know when we're coming back. And yeah, Sahib just doesn't want to talk, so ignore that. Anyways, I will show you guys India Gate and I'll speak about it more there. So guys, that's the India Gate. I mean, not that. I don't know if you can see it, but I've captured it in like a separate montage. Take. Is it visible?
Yeah.
All of this looks so cool, but unfortunately we can't go inside. I really wanted to have a picture taken there, but that is not happening. However, we just saw it and I'm happy about it. Yeah, we're unlucky in that way, but we're just happy that we saw it. Alright guys, next stop is the Rashtrapati Bhavan, which we actually can see from here, but we want to take a closer look, for which we need to use another road. And the people here are so sweet, by the way. They legit leave their work to come and give you directions. So he told us, unfortunately we didn't understand much, but whatever we did, we're gonna like try and figure it out. Check this out. So cool. This looks like a different place, and the India Gate is all the way there. Hi guys, we are now at the Qutub Minar, and fortunately this is open so we can actually go inside. So we're headed towards the ticket counter. We'll take our tickets. I will show you more about the ticket details, and let's get in. So guys, this place is so beautiful. In fact, I thought it was just Qutub Minar, but there's a lot of stuff here. There's a mosque, there's a tomb. There are actually 3-4 tombs, and look at this. It's so huge, so good, and so well maintained, exactly. And this whole place is filled with monuments all around, actually. So let's go inside and check it out. Something that I've only read in my history textbooks. today I'm here right in front of it. It feels so good. I mean, I'm a sucker for monuments and history, but this is beyond amazing. Trust me, beyond amazing. This is so artistic. Like, check this place out. Just look at that. It's the remains of a door, I guess. It looks too good, bro. This is like a must visit. The only disadvantage is it's very, very hot, actually.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Hi guys, it's the third day here and we are checking out from this beautiful room. I honestly don't feel like going, but we have to. And yeah, everything is packed. I really wanted to go check out the market here. That's the you know, the jewelry market. I don't know where you get it, maybe Paharganj, but first we're going to go check out Humayun's tomb and then we shall see. So yeah, welcome back to day 3. Let's go. We are now at the Humayun's tomb and dude, it's freaking hot. It's so hot and I'm wearing all this black here. I'm already feeling very dehydrated. I always carry a bottle of water with me and that's the entrance. I'm just going in, seeing the tomb and coming out. I have no energy for anything else. I can't. It's very hot. So do not travel to Delhi in this time. It's always post September, please. So guys, here the tickets are not available in person. You need to book them online. So when you come here, there's a scan code. You need to scan that code and register yourself and pay. It was 70 bucks for Indians. That's 35 bucks per person. And that's the tomb there. This is a very disgusting weather to be here in, but it is what it is. It is disgustingly hot here, but that's the tomb of Humayun and I am just going to be filming a few Instagram reels which are pretty informative. I've taken a few shots and you can follow me on my Instagram to watch more information about this, but I'm just going to show you a few, you know, snippets inside because it's very difficult to work in such a hot weather. I just put up my hair and I can feel the sweat drip down my body inside and I have worn like 2-3 layers, so it's very bad. I'm like at a loss of words. So let's just go inside and I'll just show you the place in. Guys, so that behind me is the tomb and it is so magnificent, it's so huge. The monuments here are very huge actually, and this is the view around. This is on a higher platform and yeah, there's just one marble coffin inside which I will show you in a close-up. But I don't understand, for one person such a big monument is built, like such a big grave. I don't know, I need to find out. I'll ask someone actually about it.
Are you all my personal dreams?
I was wrong actually. This is not just for one person. There are multiple tombs here, multiple coffins, but I don't know what those are. I think we should have taken a guide, but I'll just show you the other two on the other side.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Hi guys, it's been really long since I actually came back from Delhi and I forgot to end this vlog. So if you really like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit the tiny bell icon next to it so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Comment down below and tell me what more do you want to see about the entire US series. I'm planning to cover a lot. In fact, a lot of shopping, a lot of everything. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am to take this new journey and I hope you really like this video. The food part of it I did not really explore much because I didn't really think it was safe enough to eat in such local joints. But anyways, there's always a next time. So yeah, I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Stay safe, stay happy, and keep hustling. Bye bye.
Macarena, Macarena, Macarena. Put the chopper on the nigga, turn him to a sprinter.